Hello. Today we're talking about myths and epics. So what are myths? It's a body of traditional or sacred stories to explain a belief or a natural happening. They come from traditional or ancient stories and usually are passed down by word of mouth. So what kind of characters are in myths? Supernatural beings, like a griffin, Thor, and a hero. Why do myths exist? Myths teach lessons or explain beliefs or natural happenings. They also seek to answer some of life's biggest questions, like who are we or why are we here? The role of mythology is important in the life of ancient Greeks because it helped them answer questions they could not understand at the time. For example, when there was a storm, they believed that Zeus was upset at them for something they had done. Or when they lost a battle, they would blame someone for upsetting Ares and causing him to fight with the other side against them. Basically, it gave them someone to blame or praise for the events that happened in their life that they couldn't otherwise explain. So what are epic tales? They are a long narrative story dealing with supernatural beings or heroes. Remember supernatural beings and heroes? Like Thor, but wait, Thor and Hercules are heroes from myths. But what about heroes from epic tales? Achilles is one of the heroes in the epic tale Iliad by Homer. The movie Troy is based on the Iliad. Epic tales use various narrative and literary techniques like theme, dramatic irony, symbolism, foreshadowing, conflict, climax, extended simile, metaphor, personification, just to name a few. So what do myths and epics have in common? One thing is an extended simile. An extended simile is when a writer introduces a simile and then drags it on over several lines, sometimes over a full stanza, drawing a parallel comparison between the subject and the object it is compared to. It's also called an epic simile. Hero's quest and tasks. Many hero myths focus on a quest, a difficult task or journey that must be undertaken to achieve a goal or earn a reward, such as the hand of a loved one. The hero's quest may be seen as a symbol of the journey of self-discovery that anyone can make, the quest to overcome inner monsters and achieve self-understanding. But though quests form the basis of many myths and epic tales, not all heroes follow the quest pattern entirely, or even in part. The circle story. It's a convention in myths and epic tales in which the story begins and ends in the same place. The place is usually a physical setting. And that is a summary of myths and epic tales.